Hey, I can't stop yawning. Hi, Puffy, Amy, Yummy, and CorusLogoFanYes, and MaxieNo. We'll be right back.